A day in the life of a decorator. It's 7:15 now. Just on the way to work, so we're going to keep making these small videos and keep you updated with regards to what we're doing day to day. And we've got Rob in the house.
Morning.
Morning. And it's me. So see you shortly. Right then, we've just arrived at work. It's 8 minutes past 8. We'll be going in shortly, so join us inside. Today we're going to be painting the ceiling in this room. Walls have already been done, so there's two colours. There's this one here, and then there's this yellow colour, which we did get a couple of days ago, which is the feature wall. So what we're going to do now is mask off around the ceiling, and then we'll drop some plastic all the way down so all the walls are covered, and then we'll spray the ceiling. So everything is going according to plan. We're on schedule for finish today, and in here just doing a little bit of masking off. I'm going to shortly start to paint the walls in here, and in here we've got Robbie having a party. But he's doing the work as well. Everything's getting masked off, and not long now, but we'll be able to start spraying the ceiling in here. Right, coming up to about 4 o'clock, we're all done. We've painted this room in 2 different colours on the walls. Number 1 is Oxford Stone, Farrow and Gold, and this one is Farrow and Gold Sudbury Yellow. Really happy with the way it's turned out. Got some really sharp, crisp lines, and most importantly, the customer is pleased. Just finished working at a beautiful home that we've been working at for a few weeks. Now, this is a kitchen that we have been painting, and a living room in there, and we've also done 4 bedrooms upstairs. So it's been an absolute pleasure, and we're very happy with the results of the solid.